GameSir Z1. Today, while some companies are dedicated to game development, others create devices to make the game process easier and more convenient. GameSir has developed a keyboard that is ideal for first-person video games, as well as Battle Royale-style games. GameSir Z1 is compact. All the important keys are side by side, giving the player faster and easier access, improving the quality of control and management. The keyboard is compatible with computers, tablets, and smartphones. This is a mechanical keyboard. The developers say it's designed so that it works without interference and responds to finger movements as quickly as possible. Its price is $90. Drone racing game. To participate in intense high-speed racing, you don't need to buy a car. Get your driver's license and learn to drive quickly. Today, all you need to feel like a driver is to buy the drone racing game for $150 with your friends. For this money, you get 2 racing drones, 2 pairs of glasses, and remote controls. Also included are cones and flags to mark the racetrack, a storage bag, and a mobile application. The principle of the game is simple, but it guarantees fun for hundreds of hours. First, you must set the racetrack on which the drones will run with the flags and cones. Race participants wear the virtual reality glasses that allow them to see the road from the drone, as if the person were sitting inside, in the driver's seat. The control of the drones is then carried out with the help of the remote control. Some simple manipulations and you're ready to start the race. Triumphs and defeats are recorded in the mobile application, and competition for being the best driver makes the game more fun and interesting. DigiBit. The problem with all modern mobile games is that they bore the user pretty quickly. Sitting in the same place for a long time without moving and looking at the screen is not only difficult, but also harmful to your health. DigiBit was invented to introduce variety into the lives of mobile gaming fans. These VR glasses come with 4 controllers, 2 for the hands and 2 for the feet. It should be noted that the controllers communicate with the smartphone via Bluetooth, and the device doesn't require an internet connection to play anywhere. The cost of DigiBit is $160, and with this investment you can live an active lifestyle without fatigue. The device is designed for children and adults. The kit includes a DigiBit set with a variety of games, each designed in such a way that it's possible to have new game experiences. To pass the tests, the player will have to jump, swing his arms, or turn. There are, however, quieter games, imitating, for example, air hockey. Hackaball. The developers of this game claim to have invented a computer that can be thrown. Most often, children spend their free time at home on the computer, the console, or the telephone. To solve this and make their lives more active, the creators of Hackaball devised a game that combines the ball with a mobile application. Hackaball has LED indicators that respond to changes in speed, location, impact, and other interactions. He also knows how to make sounds and vibrate. The mobile application initially comes with some simple games. Once mastered, children or adults can create their own games with a simple and intuitive programming system. The system of rewards and achievements is worth mentioning as well. The longer children play, the more they can unlock. For many, such a system becomes an incentive for play, encouraging movement and ingenuity. The more you play Hackaball, the more options you'll have, which means you'll never be bored. You can buy this toy for $69. Spatial MRX. Some time ago, the developers of this game wanted to combine a holographic projector with a board game. The result exceeded all expectations. This is Spatial, a holographic board game with augmented reality effects. For $60 you can buy a special holder for a smartphone, as well as unlimited access to a variety of games. However, to play with other people you will need to buy several mounts. It should be noted that, despite the use of the augmented reality system, no unnecessary devices other than those that come with the device are needed. Spatial MRX developers have attracted more than 10 third-party companies to create games. This ensures that the device is delivered complete with 10 unique augmented reality games. On the outside, everything looks pretty normal. The players move the tiles with points and skills. Everything changes though when you start watching the game through the monitor. It turns out that each chip has its own animation, and a map is projected on the surface, where the characters fight and interact with the surrounding objects. GameSir M2. Here we have a gamepad that can significantly expand the possibilities in the game, as well as brighten your day wherever you are. Modern smartphone games are quite interesting, but not very practical when it comes to playing. The GameSir M2 has special support for playing on your smartphone with a joystick. The device is compact, doesn't take up much space, and can generate interest and new experiences even for hardcore players. It should be noted that the GameSir M2 can be combined with a variety of devices, so you can play not only on your phone, but also on your computer or your laptop. The GameSir M2 can even be used with drones. The list of compatible games is quite impressive, so the device will be a great cure for boredom. The cost of the gadget is $80.